Here in Wyoming, mule deer, often known as muleys, are arguably the most popular animals that we have. Photographers take pictures of them from the late months of winter to the early months of spring, and people tend to study them year round. They are also very popular to hunt. We attract a lot of big name outfitters that come up every year to hunt these animals. So why in the spring and in the winter are the mule deer all over the road? Well, this is because of the migration. Today I'm going to inform you on the mule deer migration through Wyoming. The average mule deer travels 150 miles each way every year on its migration path. The reason for this is to gain or to decrease in elevation. Here in Wyoming, it snows 8 to 10 months out of the year, so when animals have to stay out of the snow, that makes it easier for them to survive. The less snow they have, the easier it is to find their feed, which is vital to their survival through the winter. And the less snow there is, the easier it is for them to escape from predators. Here in Wyoming, we have a large population of wolves and coyotes, which are very hard on mule deer themselves, and the fawns from the previous year. Wyoming has been working very hard on building overpasses across major highways on the migration path, and they have built 10-foot fences along the major highways as well. This has cut down on roadkill and made it easier for the mule deer to migrate. Why do mule deer migrate? Well, to them it's tradition. They're wired to do this. This is all they've known. So for one to go out of its way and do something different would be very uncharacteristic to these animals. And every year they go to the same spot. Horn hunting is a very popular thing around here. So when people go to that same spot every year, they tend to find deer in the same spot. They have done a recent study on a doe deer. In the summers, she hangs out in Island Park, Idaho, which is northwest, and she traveled 250 miles to southeast Wyoming near Rawlins, which is an amazing amount. That is 500 miles round trip. In conclusion, mule deer are very important to Wyoming just to look at and to support the economy, because hunting is a very important thing around here. And the migration itself is very interesting, I think.